Hello everybody, welcome back. As you will have seen from the title of today's video, we are doing a mystery stamp bundle unbagging, I guess you could call it. My friend went to the most amazing charity shop, I think it was in Norfolk. I'll leave it in the description box if I can find it. But he was kind enough to pick me up this bundle for my birthday, and we just haven't seen each other for ages, so I've only just been given it, but it was super kind of him to get it for me, and I thought let's open it together today, and I'm really excited to explore this little bag. Before we get into the video, I'd just like to ask that if you're not already subscribed to my channel, you hit the subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow and reach more people, and all I want to do is build a really nice community, share nice ideas, nice product, tutorials, all sorts. So please hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed today's video, please leave it a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get into this bag and see what's inside. So as you can see, I think it was about £1.50, £2, something like that. But you can see a lot of the stamps have prices on still, so I think he got really good value for money. Let's see what we have. So first up we have this one. Let's just grab something to put it on. So this looks kind of florally, grassy. That looks like a toadstool, and then maybe grass. I might have to stamp some of these out to fully see what they are. That looks fun. That definitely looks like a toadstool. I don't know the brand, obviously. I can only go by what you're seeing. So that's nice. Oh, then we have... oh, that's a fox. That's cute. I like that. It actually looks like the one on my dad's headstone. That's serendipitous, I think. Then look at this one. That's really nice. That's a lovely beachy one. I really like that. How cute is that? That worked quite nicely with Sandy Paws and Beach Life and a few other collections I've got. So that's really sweet. Then we have this one, says Cling Rubber. Looks florally. Oh, Stampendous. I like their stuff, and I really like saying Stampendous. Let's just grab it out. There we go. That doesn't actually look used at all. That's really cute. Like that one. Oh my word, I love it. Look at that. That's going to make some super cute cards, and I love the size of that font. I absolutely love that one. That's brilliant. Oh, this looks a bit Stampscape-y. Which way does it go? I'm not sure. That kind of, it looks like a scene. We might have to stamp that out to fully see it, which I'm not going to do like right now because I just wanted to do a quick video. But that kind of looks like clouds or treetops. That could be like a bridge type thing. That I definitely want to investigate. Like that. Then we have Joanna Sheen. We've got some roses. Love to you. That's nice. It's like a rubber one. Then we have... oh, this is a bit Art Deco-y. Look at her. That's a bit cool. I've got some other kind of Art Deco ladies. It's a nice, interesting, that would make a nice background. That one's a bit broken, but I'm sure you could make it work. It's a nice one. Oh no! Oh my goodness. Okay, so I don't actually think my friend A knows about my House Couple Ditch like obsession, and B, he can't have known this was in there. This was supposed to come to me. If you've been with me for a while, you will know that I am a massive Hell's Couple Ditch fan. Look what is in here. There is a Hell's Coupled-itch stamp. What is it though? Let's see if I can get that out. Moving House it's called. Honestly, how serendipitous is that? How many of you are laughing right now? If you've been with me a while, oh my goodness, you will know. Let's see if I can get this out and turn it around. This bundle was definitely supposed to come to me, I'm telling you. Okay, so I would say that's a dog. That's going to need to be stamped. Let's just put it, there you go. Now you can see, oh, look how cute. Oh my goodness. Clearly I don't have that one either, so I am over the moon. Oh my goodness. That is hilarious. That is brilliant. Oh, well, you wait. I'm going to text him in a minute and be like, you have no idea. Wow. That's tickled me. Of all the stamp bundles he could get, and he got the one with like my favourite ever illustrator. Oh my goodness, that is hilarious. I love it. Okay, so considering I think he said it was like £1.50, £2, something like that. How good a value is that? I mean, even taking out the fact it's got a Hell's Coupled-itch stamp in there, that's amazing. I love it. I think my favourite's, well, clearly going to be the Hell's one. That one's really intriguing me. I absolutely love this one, and I really, really like that one. I think that one would be fun to play with. They're all nice, but I think those are the ones that stand out as I want to play with these like right now, and the rest I'll get to. But yeah, absolutely love those. Have you got a favourite? Let me know what you think in the comments. Is this the kind of thing you would buy as like a little punt? If the charity shop is near you, have you been? Have you got something like this? Let me know what you think down below. Thank you so much for joining me today and watching me do this really quick stamp bundle mystery unbagging video. I really hope you have enjoyed it. I am apologising now for the fact it got a little bit loud at the end when I discovered the magic stamp, but I really appreciate everyone who does take the time out of the day to come and watch my videos. If you're not already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button and help my channel grow. And if you have enjoyed today's slightly manic video, please do leave it a big thumbs up. I will be back soon with more videos. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Take really good care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.